What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go to our friend Decentraland Mana. Quite the bounce here. We're sitting at 332. We're up about 5.15 already, guys. We're sitting at market cap of 5.96 billion. 24-hour volume 1.93 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for the cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop over into Mana. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. So we broke out of this falling wedge pattern. We've come all the way back down and found support. We wicked right down to that level of support, and we've seen a huge bounce. I mean, some major volume just absolutely stepped in right here. Look at this candle, guys. Absolutely insane. So our first entry, we had this rising wedge. Our first entry 355, our second 315, and our third 274. So now you have a nice amount of money back in your trade. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. So our average price is sitting at 315. So currently you're already in profits for Mana, about 4%. If you want early access to these charts, guys, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, sign up to the Patreon. We have DCA charts for many projects, and it's 350 USD. You really can't beat it, guys. So let's hop back into Mana. So we can see here we've started to push back up. Now we have a little bit of a bull pennant. We're about to have the bullish cross on the 1 hour RSI. Sorry, guys. On the 1 hour EMAs, you can see we have trended all the way back up to the top section on the RSI. So do keep an eye on that. Can be an early sign of a move back down. But if we were to break out back to the upside here, your target is up at about $3.80 for our friend Mana. Let me quickly open up the money flow index. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Yeah, so we've trended all the way up to overbought on the money flow as well, and that is usually when you see some pullback. But if we're able to hold 315 as support, and then we can see continuation up to our sorry guys, let me quickly take this out. My apologies. Up to our take profit zone 355 and then 421 for Mana. If we pop over to the 4 hour time frame, let's see what we can see. So we came all the way down. We are oversold all the way down to about 18 on the 4 hour RSI, as well as the money flow came to the bottom. And that's a perfect entry point, guys. When you start to trend towards oversold, you see the money flow come back down. Money's going to start flowing back into the project and push the price right back up. So what we want to see to remain bullish is we hold the EMAs as support on the 4 hour, and we see continuation. If we do roll over, guys, we may come back down to retest that level of support at 274 and create a bit of a double bottom pattern for our friend Mana. If we jump over to the daily time frame, quickly pop open the daily, we have broken down from this symmetrical triangle, and we're currently seeing a back test. So we have to be really careful here, guys, because what that can signal when you see a back test like that is a confirmation of the breakout, right? And this is a huge breakdown. Would take Mana all the way back down to about 65 cents. So what we would want to see, or the bullish scenario here, is we invalidate that. We break back up into the pattern, we get back above the EMAs, and we break out and see continuation. However, with Bitcoin here, I do think it's likely that Bitcoin is going to form some sort of reversal double bottom pattern. It will push up and then it will come back down to retest that level of support. And then you'll see the exact same thing happen with Mana, where it will come down and retest that level of support before seeing its breakout back to the upside. Of course, if we do come down here, we have our buy zones ready: 242, 157, 107, 65 cents for Mana. Do I have one more? Oh yeah, 65 cents is probably about a 60% drop. Oh wow, about an 82% drop. Equal amounts at each buy zones brings your average price down halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, double your margin. I don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. If you're spot trading, no fail strategy. If you're leverage trading, trade at your own risk. Currently I'm not in Mana, but I'm definitely gonna have to start getting into it because it's one of the metaverse projects, and they tend to absolutely explode. There's just so much interest in them as right now. So Bitcoin goes to 100, 150K. Coins like Mana, Sand, Gala, those are the projects that you want to be invested in and that you want to be trading, in my opinion. Wow, Phantom, $3.02, making some juicy profits. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Mana. I will give some price targets. If we were to see continuation to the upside here, I pulled my Fibonacci from our swing high in April down to our crash low. We've already reached the 1.618, so we have the 2 extension at 749. the 2.272 at 11.51. If we do break down here, guys, do watch the level of support, which is the 1.272 coming in at $2.50. And we have a technical target to the downside all the way down about 64 cents. But if we do break back up here, it could bring you back up to about $6.04 or you can see this as like a big bull pennant pattern. Here's your flagpole, and that could take you all the way up. Ooh, pretty close to the 2, just above the 2 extension at about $8.79. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses, and you can check out my full length tutorial. And one last shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members with the DCA charts updated regularly for your convenience, guys, and 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee. All right, see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.